investigate. Or even better, it's our furry friend, Derpy. Wait a minute, it's a whole lot of little Derpies. Keep looking. If we're lucky, we'll find ourselves a Derpy dozen. We'll take care of you, starting with a fresh new diaper. Let's wipe away those tears, or scrub rather. Now we should give you new tidy whities. Nothing beats fresh swaddling clothes. Hungry? Guess it's not gonna stay clean for long. You can never have too many Derpy Kittens. Mama Derpy has a little surprise for you. Ooh, Roomy's got a special mystery date. But he'd look better with, well, a head. Contestant number 1. A Demogorgon? Maybe we should save the beasts for beauty. Next up, sorry, Pinky doesn't go with that shirt. Any guesses to who contestant number 3 is? Genu! As if you didn't already guess. I mean, these two already have a bit in common. But I think he might be a bad influence on you. Maybe she just needs something to settle her stomach. Roomy's special ramyuns, just what the doctor ordered. We're gonna need special ingredients. Like a nice refreshing blast of soda. Mix it all up. Make sure it's nice and sticky. It's not for eating, it's to clear up your face.
Ew, yuck.
Add on some cucumbers for that nice summer smell. Talk about saving face, but let's do something for your arms. Try a nice foamy soap. Make sure you brush it in. And there's always time for a manicure. Clip those nails. And wipe off that polish. After all, let's save the purple for those nails. What color should we use? How about pink? Mira swears by this shade. She uses it for highlights. And hair is basically nails anyway. Looks like Mira's found something. Hey, it's Sussy! So cute. Why don't we whip up something special for you? See? This tree makes for the perfect pad. Ooh, he's thirsty. But I don't think he does bottles. Well, at least without a little adjustment. Remember, it's important to stay hydrated. Roomy, let down your hair. Now Sussy can ride the purple swing. Hungry? We'll whip up something special for you. Try Mira's ramyun. What? You prefer tteokbokki? Maybe we can dig up a solution. Probably should call the museum. Wait a minute. Worms! Delicious, nutritious worms! They're Sussy's favorite. Bon appetit. All your hard work won't go unrewarded. The next part. Next up, we've got a little computer game for you. It's a K-pop Demon Hunters paper doll game. Sans paper. Let's start with the basics, like skin and face. That really is basic. Now let's pick a new hairdo. Rumi knows not to mess with success. And you can't go wrong with a classic outfit. But these aren't fashion dolls, they're battle bots. Use the power of that outfit to take down that Saja boy. Uh-oh, where's some cheat codes when you need them? But you just can't keep a good Huntrix girl down. We have a winner! Congrats, Rumi! 2 out of 3? Just kidding. It's time to collect your winnings. Huntrix is having fun on a summer hike. Well, that was the idea, at least. Axes. I know. Let's build a way to success. Okay, does everybody have an axe? Well then, it's time to get chopping. Wood, that is. It's time to step on out of here. Hop your way to the top. These girls can accomplish anything together. A path to lost treasure. But which one do we take? We just want to make sure it's safe. Make a little ball and roll it on down. This will help us find which path is the safest route. Let's hope that third time's the charm. Oh, the treasure is so close, but so far away! We need special symbols to help open the lock. Well, it's clear it's time for us to go fishing. We need a starfish, a shell, and a guppy. And a few little extra items on the way. The treasure is ours! And we've got the final part! Seatbelts on, the maiden voyage can commence. Now that's what I call an entrance. Okay, Saja boys, you're a great opening act. But it's time for the real show to begin. Because, above all else, these girls are golden. Hey, look! It's a Lego Rumi, complete with her own Derpy. Derpy's got a lot of energy. But it looks like he's running out. Don't worry, Dr. Zoe's here to help. It looks like we need to take a peek inside. If you ever wanted to know what Derpy's made of, guess these are the building blocks of life. But have no fear, Derpy won't be gone for long. We can always rebuild him, literally. That's one way to save face. Don't forget the ears. And while we're at it, let's make him a Sussy too. But we can't forget about the original. Seal him up. After all, 2 Derpies are better than 1. Looks like Dr. Oren's got a few patients. Don't worry, we've got plenty of room for all of our sprunky friends. And by that, we mean plenty of jars. With all their energy, they can even charge your laptop. I wonder if they'll let me hook up my phone, too. Oh no! Dr. Orenstein's turned them all into creatures! And together, they make up Orenstein's monster! Look, it's even got bendable joints! Now that's what I call an action figure. Just the thing an action girl like Zoe wants.
Huh?
Guess Orenstein is afraid of his own creation. That's okay. Zoe's got some tropical fun planned. Too much pine in this pineapple? Wait a minute. Those are blocks. Even better. Ooh, what are you making? Another pineapple? Wait, no. It kind of looks like some kind of stand. Well, I guess we can show you the door. Get it? Wow, everything's really coming together. It's a juice stand with a whole line of flavors, complete with a pineapple crown on top. Calling all beachgoers. Anyone want to wet their whistle? It's Sandy Cheeks.
Hey!
And SpongeBob is her first customer. He wants pineapple juice. Guess they're not just for living in. But I don't think this one's for eating either. It's a toy. Still, it sure looks fun to play with. Either way, SpongeBob sure is one